Okay, so the question is, Mr. Emmanuel, can you break down the triple pay for better clarity? Thank you, sir. Let me break it down. It is called triple pay for some reasons. Number one, it is savings, it is investment, and it is protection all in one. So that instead of having three different pursuits, save money here, invest there, protect my family there, you can do all in one place. One account you create serves three purposes. As a matter of fact, the major pillar behind this policy is the protection. As a matter of fact, the insurance is about protection. All right, so the investment and the savings part is icing on the cake, right? That's why I said earlier, it is about you can use this to create a will for your family. So let me break it down. You are earning below 200k or more than 200k monthly as a father or a mother. You choose to save a particular amount of money. Let's say you're saving 150, 200, even 500k. I don't know, whatever you're earning. You are able to conveniently put aside 200, for example, every month, because you want to fulfill or carry out a project. Let's say you want to build a house or you want to buy a car, but you know that you cannot bring out bulk money at once to do that. So you decide to save money. So it is good as you are saving the money. From the first time you start saving, you already have 10 million, for example, all right, secured for your family as will protection. That means I'm going to save 200k every single month for like 6 years. However, let my family be protected with 10 million. If life happens to me, let's say, God forbid, the unforeseen happens, I'm no more there. Give my wife or my husband and my children 10 million, even though I've not saved up to 1 million. Do you understand? So that's the protection part. So, but if I survive 6 years and I'm still alive, give me all the money I've saved, 10 million, plus the bonus. Do you understand? That is the profit. We call it bonus, not really interest. So, bonus. Because what you save is not what you're getting out. You're getting more than what you've saved. That is where it is an investment. All right. Number three, it is a disciplined savings, meaning that you are obligated or committed to a project for 6 years. There's no ATM card to go and withdraw money. There's no urgent 2k from anybody making urgent request. You are committed. While your money is in a bank, you can be tempted to go and bring it out easily when somebody puts pressure on you. But in this case, you are committed to a disciplined savings until you achieve a particular project. That is where the disciplined savings come in. So savings, investment, but most importantly, protection. That's why it's called triple pay. Number two reason why it's called triple pay is because it allows you to withdraw, partial withdrawal, 3 times. What I mean is, it's a 6-year minimum tenure, but in year 2, if you decide to, or if you need to, I don't recommend that, but if you want to, you can withdraw about 25% of your sum assured, the protection funds out. In year 4, you can withdraw another 25 out, then in year 6, you get your 100%, and then you now have your bonus, additional bonus. So what is the ROI? It is not one rule, one size fits all. It depends on a few factors like your age, right? And the premium. Premium means the amount you are saving, you choose to save every month. Okay, so I hope this clarifies. People use this for planning their children's education or travel abroad. People use this to plan to buy properties or to expand their businesses. There are many reasons. Even people who are in the market, Alaba market, Ladipo markets, those Igbo people who have sales boys working for them that you have to settle them after 6 years, they use this to begin to put money aside gradually for them, so that when it's time to settle the boy, there's money, no stories. Okay, I hope I answered that question. The other question that was asked is, just a minute. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel, I have more concerns. Number one, what is the ROI or the interest rate per annum? Now, like I said, you are going to get a quote. Come to my DM, my number is on the screen. You're going to get a quote, right? That is unique to you. Like I said earlier, it's not a one size fits all. All right? It will vary depending on the amount you are putting in monthly or quarterly or yearly. And also, it depends on your age too, because the protection, the insurance or life protection for your family is going to be tied to your age and how much you're putting in. So to get this value, this thing, what you're asking for, number one, what is the ROI? it is personalized. So let me know how much you want to save monthly or quarterly, as the case may be, and how old you are. Then I can give you a unique quote for you. Number two, what is premium? Premium means the amount, the how much you want to save regularly. 200, 500, 50K, 1 million. People are doing 1.5 million every quarter. People are doing small. People are doing 1 million, 1.5 million every month, every quarter, 900 every month. It depends on your capacity. Just do what you can comfortably and conveniently do without pressure, because once you start, you have to be committed to finish. So don't go and do 100% of your salary. If you know your income is 500K, you cannot do 500K. You have to do lower than that. Having considered your other expenses or how you run your family and your life, you have to be sure that when you begin this savings, it will not affect, your regular, how you operate and your expenses, to keep yourself up and about. Yeah. Number three is, can one deposit lump sum, and what are the extra benefits for depositing lump sum? Good question. You can deposit a lump sum. The ROI, quote unquote, or the bonus is higher when it's a lump sum. When you bring a bulk money and keep it at once for 6 years, right, instead of doing it monthly or quarterly or half yearly, the sum assured, the bonus will of course be a lot higher because of that. So that's true. That's what's going to happen. That's the benefit that comes with lump sum. All right. So I believe everyone watching this video has gotten value. And if you're not in the community yet and you're watching the video and you want to join the community, send me a DM, call the number on the screen or send a WhatsApp message, and I'll be glad to add you to the platform. We have all our trainings that we do for retirees. We help retirees to plan and choose the program, the pension option that is best suited for them, which is annuity, of course, because annuity pays you higher than program withdrawal. I don't know whether you know what that means. If you don't know, be in the community. We have a lot of seminars and webinars we do online that explains all these things. Don't wait until you retire before you learn these things. And if you're retired already, you need to make an informed decision and go for annuity, when you understand what it is all about and the benefits. We'll be glad to answer your question. We'll be glad to help you process your annuity and give you the best available rates in the industry in Nigeria as of today. And then we also have trainings we organize for workplaces, institutions, government or private. So if your workplace or your former workplace would love to have our team come and do a physical training, and we call it readiness training. It's a workshop at no cost. Your company is not paying, your HR is not paying anything. Just organize your staff, make sure the venue is ready. Our team will come there wherever you are in Nigeria, and then we'll do this and then begin to coach and train your people for financial literacy, for retirement planning, and other insurance products that can help them and their families, have a better life and build wealth. Okay, so reach out and we'll be able to do that together.